You're about to learn how to do Taiwan Chai's famous slide tee. Talk to you about a great Tito. Are you ready to show him?
Yes, sir.
Tabernacle. Let's go.
First things first, you want to bring the foot under you. I lift the leg up, all the way up. With the foot, it's not in like this, it's turned out this way. I'm not gonna teep straight here. Bring it close, out, up, and I'm keeping the body straight up. Teep, bang. Swing this arm down as you teep. Step with the foot, lift the leg up, swing the arm down as you teep.
Are you using the foot or the balls of the feet?
Good question. I use the balls of my feet when I teep. Bring the foot under me, lift the leg up, teep them, okay? This one's a stab. It's not really much too much. I stand straight up, lift the leg, push with the balls of my feet. After I lift it up, I wanna start lift it up when I teep, boom, bring it back down in the bucket.
I noticed that I went back and you didn't go back. Is that done on purpose?
Good question. Whenever you guys teep, I want them to go back. I don't want you to go back. Whenever I do it, put all the weight on the back foot. That helps a lot. Keep the foot straight, teep, back down in the bucket. Bring it right under me when I teep. Teep, again. Boom. Back down in the bucket, again. Foot under me. Teep, back down in the bucket. He goes back, not me. Now that we have the basics out the way, we're gonna go to the side teep. Whenever Taiwan Chai teeps, he really gets him off that center line. He disrupts everything. He goes from that straight stance and he gets it straight off the ground. He doesn't turn it, doesn't go anything straight from here, up and out. First thing we wanna do, get in our regular stance, feet apart. Whenever I teep, all I do is slide. Okay, it's not just a regular side teep, it's a slide teep. Slide it. Whenever I do it, lift the leg up, slide with it. So I go with the foot. I'm not gonna slide and then teep. It's a boop, bend the leg, go with it. And as you slide, you push at the same time. So I'm not gonna be sliding, my foot's already there. It's going at the same time. Bam. At the last second, you get that push at the end. Again, boom. Get them off the center line. And when you do it, you turn this part over. Because if I were to slide teep, standing up, there's not really that much power in it. I want to go to the slide teep, sideways. Boom, aiming this way. And then I get them off that center line. It's good to fake it with this one. Boop. See, I'm bending, and I can go straight from there. Bang, slide. Boop. Slide teep. Straight in the middle. With the hands. When he does it, he swings the arm down to get really that much power in it. He bends the leg, comes up, as he teeps, swing him down. Boom, he teeps them right off the center line. Whenever he does it, he's not bringing it straight up. He's bringing it out a little bit, because if he were to bring it straight up, he would have to bring it and then turn it. But if it's already turned, then I can just teep from there and it's faster. Bend it, see the leg, teep him right there in the stomach. Hit with the balls of the foot on this one, and really get that push on it. Boom, just like he does it. Make sure when you do it, you're not leaning too much off the thing, okay? Whenever he does it, it's a little bit of lean. Boom, you see, just a little lean. I'm not all the way, just right here where the foot is. And I push off. Again, boom, halfway. Now I do a real, boom, teep him right there. So whenever he uses it in his fights, I've seen many times he use it against an aggressive fighter. Come in rushing, body, straight there. Body kick, bring it down, boom. He comes in, thinking this is over, bang, straight from there. It's important not to get the load up on this one. Because if I were to kick and I load it up, he would grab me. So it's a bang, look, straight from there, teep. Again, bang, teep straight from there. Really teep to get that aggressive opponent away from you. I've seen it a lot. He uses the quick jab, boom, straight from there. After that one, jab, teep, slide teep from there. The really basics of it, if he's far, I really want to get that bend in it. If he's far, and I try to do it right here, I'm gonna miss. So you really bend the leg, get it from there. Power comes from the bend. So if he's far right there, he bends it even more like this to really get that power in it. Back to the regular teep, he jabs, not a real power jab, it's a touch jab. Boop. Teep, bend it from there. Teep him on the ground. Make sure whenever you do it, you're not trying to push it too much. Because if you push too much, all he has to do, move it out the way, And now look, okay? So it's a controlled power like that he does. The power teep, but he's not powering it too much. If he's powering it too much, all he has to do is a quick movement and his back is exposed. It's a quick, fast power teep, not a super power. Boom. Teep him off in the ground.
Good. You're very good at the Taiwan Chai slide teep, Tito. No cap. How are you able to practice this on the bag?
This is how you're gonna learn the Taiwan Chai teep on the bag. I want you to get used to shooting it from different angles. So you know how Steph Curry has a three-pointer? That's what you wanna work on it. So I step two to the left, boop, two to the left, slide teep. Stop the bag, take 2 steps back. Now I do it. Stop the bag. Whenever you stop the bag, I don't wanna get used to doing this. You just wanna do a little bit like an inside block. Boop, step back, 2 steps right, fake, teep, stop the bag. Again, 2 steps to the left, boop, fake, then do it.
So that's only a snippet of the full version that's now available on the KMA online Muay Thai drills and workouts program. To get registered for 4 tiers of authentic Muay Thai, all you have to do is hit the link in the pinned comment or the description. And to get dripped out with us with KMA apparel and Muay Thai training gear, just hit that shop link in our pinned comment in the description. If you want more Muay Thai tutorials on our channel, all you have to do is click this video right here. It's gonna give you our full playlist that we know that you're gonna enjoy.